Market Intelligence Report for July 8, 2026. Crypto Market Overview Analysts highlight textbook Bitcoin bottom formation. Strategy sold 3,588 BTC, putting future selling pressure in focus. Stellar Zipper Upgrade Validator vote live today at 1700 hours Universal Time Coordinated, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Traditional Finance and Crypto Convergence Vanguard posted ahead of Digital Assets, Personal Wealth Roll, Dallas, Scottsdale, Charlotte, Malvern, to lead multi-year digital asset strategy and enterprise execution across its wealth business. This marks a notable shift from Vanguard's prior resistance to spot Bitcoin ETFs. Institutional wealth managers are actively building crypto infrastructure, signaling accelerating TradFi adoption of digital assets as a core offering. DEFI and RWA tokenization, real-world asset tokenization, accelerating rapidly across treasuries, real estate, stocks, commodities, and private credit. Stellar ecosystem highlights include OpenUSD stablecoin infrastructure, USST, tokenized asset-backed stablecoin, and Matrix stock tokenized gold, $XAUM, now live in Aquarius DeFi. Kazakhstan's new presidential decree explicitly supports cross-border stablecoin payments and regulated crypto transactions, creating new rails for tokenized assets. RWA sector remains small relative to TradFi but growing at exceptional speed. AI and blockchain account abstraction and smart account improvements via Stellar Zipper Upgrade, Protocol 27/CAP71, will enhance programmable finance and delegated authentication, foundational for AI agent-driven DeFi interactions. Projects building on Stellar are leveraging these capabilities for automated, intelligent financial workflows. Broader industry focus on AI plus blockchain convergence for autonomous agents, compliance automation, and predictive analytics in RWAs. Prediction market sections. North Carolina became the first U.S. state to explicitly recognize the CFTC's exclusive authority over federally regulated prediction markets, e.g., CalSure, Polymarket, and imposed a 6% tax on their net trading fee revenue, while not regulating them as gambling. The state budget signed July 7, 2026 formally acknowledges that CFTC-registered prediction markets may operate legally in North Carolina under federal law, without needing a state gambling license. A new 6% tax applies to net trading fee revenue from trades made by users domiciled and physically present in North Carolina. This is the first state-level tax structured specifically around federally regulated prediction markets. The tax takes effect starting in 2027. The upcoming Stellar Zipper vote itself functions as an on-chain governance prediction market test for validator consensus. Watch for increased activity in decentralized prediction platforms tied to regulatory outcomes, DAC 8 court case, Kazakhstan implementation, and Fed policy shifts. Wallet Stats XRP Ledger and Stellar Network continue steady wallet creation growth tied to RWA and stablecoin activity. No major large holder movements or whale transfers detected in the last 24h for XRP, XLM, XPR Network, or Metal blockchain. Metallicus Q2 2026 report shows continued expansion of regulated blockchain banking infrastructure. Wealth concentration stable. Institutional and DeFi participants increasing tokenized asset exposure. Monitor post-Zipper wallet and smart account creation metrics on Stellar. Recent X posts from key accounts at Stellar.org. Zipper Upgrade, Protocol 27, Validator vote today at 1700 hours Universal Time Coordinated, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Detailed thread on delegated authentication, CAP 71, smart accounts, multi-sig, and account abstraction. Ecosystem Weekly Roundup spotlighted OpenUSD stablecoins, USST, tokenized gold, $XAUM, in Aquarius DeFi, Lumen Loop constellations, and multiple RWA/programmable finance builds. At Metallicus TDBN, released Q2 2026 report on blockchain-based banking infrastructure progress. At Ripple, no direct posts in window, but Ripple announced Kansas Jayhawks sports sponsorship featuring XRP patch on jerseys plus funding for student-athlete financial and technology education programs. Geopolitical macro and regulatory news, 1/2. Kazakhstan president signed decree to accelerate crypto adoption via gas-powered mining electricity, income tax exemptions for regulated transactions, and cross-border stablecoin payments. India crypto tax underreporting significant. Fewer than 25% of 645K transactors filed returns. Bull Bitcoin petitioning French court to annul DAC-8 implementing decree over surveillance and physical security risks for up to 135 million European crypto users. Lynn Alden commentary. Bitcoin needs no savior amid strategies BTC sales. Continued focus on Fed/US Treasury developments and CFTC/SEC stablecoin and RWA frameworks. Risk/opportunity analysis risks. Sustained strategy BTC sales could add selling pressure. DAC-8 regulatory pushback in Europe and India tax enforcement gaps may dampen retail flows. XLM/XRP volatility around today's Stellar vote. Opportunities. Stellar Zipper upgrade vote today could unlock major account abstraction and AI agent DeFi growth. Kazakhstan pro-crypto decree opens new mining and stablecoin corridors in Central Asia. Vanguard digital assets hiring signals deep TradFi convergence. RWA tokenization momentum remains exceptionally strong. Recommendations. Closely monitor Stellar validator vote results for ecosystem catalysts. Position for RWA/stablecoin plays on Stellar/XRPL. Watch institutional flows following Vanguard's move. Track Kazakhstan implementation timeline. Key metrics to watch. BTC 24H change and strategy sale follow-through. Stellar Zipper vote outcome. 1700 hours universal time coordinated. XRP/XLM volume and smart account creation spikes. Kazakhstan decree rollout. EU DAC-8 court progress. Vanguard hiring timeline. This is not financial advice. This is your market intelligence report for July 8, 2026.